Alright, so this letter we're looking at today, R, is called Pearson's correlation coefficient. It's a number between -1 and 1. It tells you the association between two variables. It's different to R squared. So you are possibly used to R squared from your science subjects, so biology, physics, chemistry. You'll calculate R squared using Excel, potentially. This is different. The only difference is R squared is R squared. R is the square root of that. Yeah? So let's just say we're graphing your geography results versus your history results. And you get an R value of 0.9. That means basically all of your results, your history result compared to your geography result, there's a strong association between those two. If it was quite a low number, so like 0.3, that's quite a weak association between geography and history marks. Can you please put this data into Excel? So the first two ways are on Excel. So let's put this onto Excel. Okay, hopefully you have it in. So you can do it with me. Select the data, insert a scatter plot, and you'll get something like that. You would normally put titles on your graph, but this is just, a demonstration. I'm not going to do that. Then right-click, add trend line. Add trend line, scroll down, click on the R squared. So basically we have an approximate R squared, which is, okay, so then you need to type that in and go equals and type SQRT. Does anyone know what that stands for? Square root, and then select the cell that you're square rooting to get to the R value. So that is our first way to get Pearson's correlation coefficient. Not super accurate. Okay, second way. Very easy. Instead of doing all of that, you just go equals CORREL bracket, CORREL bracket. Do it with me, please. Select the first group of data. Type a, what is it called? Comma. Sorry, you can tell I'm a math teacher. Select the second group of data. Close the bracket or enter, either works. Did you get a different number? Slightly different at the 5th decimal place. So this is the correct Pearson's correlation coefficient. Okay, so following along with me, this is the third method. So go mode, press the number 2, press the number 2 again, and you get this. Okay, we're going to type in all the data. So type in all the data. So let's just assume the first row is X's.
$74, $65, $55. So type in each one and then press equals, and then go back up, press the arrows till you get to the Y, and then type in the Y's. So just the second row, 87, 78, 71, 85.
And then, so you've typed in the 10 values, 5 X's, 5 Y's, You then press on. So when you press on, there should be a stat. See the little stat at the top? Basically, that's saying you've got some stats in your calculator. You've got some numbers. So now you go second. So the yellow button, second, 1. Second 1, 5. Can you see any symbols that look familiar? So we're typing in 3 equals. That was pretty tricky.